12 and 2 and 2 12. Step 1 is add the whole numbers. So our whole numbers are 4 and 2. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Step 2 is add the fractional parts. The fractional parts are 6 and 2. 6 plus 2 and copy the denominator, 12. 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. And copy the denominator 12 and the whole number 6. Step 3, reduce or simplify if possible. So it can be reduced to lowest term because 8 and 12 can be divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 is equals to 2. 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3. Copy the whole number 6 and our final answer is 6 and 2/3. For watching and learning with me, I hope you learned how to add similar fractions and mix number with me.